What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Jupiter, which has pumped up just about 20% in the last 24 hours, making it very close to the 1 cent target. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to invest? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? Looking at its prediction and also covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, looking at where it's heading to next, guys, his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, and also going into 2023. Is Jupiter a good investment? Is it worth holding onto the crypto, or is it worth investing into the crypto as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we're on the Coinbase website. In the last hour, the market is up just about 0.5%, and Jupiter has managed to gain the second spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. We can see here in the last hour itself, managed to gain a massive 8% in value in a single hour. Over the last day, nearly 20% up. Over the week, 12%. We can see it literally like a U-shape, dropping down half the week and then pumping up the remaining over the last couple of days. And over the month is an overall 7% down. As you can see, even though there are pumps here and there in between, even major pumps here in early September, overall it has been slowly and steadily moving in a negative direction, and more or less that's what I'm expecting it to carry on. Again, there will be dips or peaks here and there, but overall it is likely to drop down in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 32% in the last 24 hours, making it $482,000 in trading, which is still a huge amount of money being traded on Jupiter. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 87% buy against 13% sell. So we do have way more investors than sellers. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the daily chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jupiter, which is here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value at 0.009, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. But as you guys can see, we are already starting to see a red candlestick, and I'm expecting it to drop down in value over the next couple of hours. So let's get straight into it. Let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see steep lines going in a bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning it is not realistic, because the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place here. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping and so on, and that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting the crypto to drop down in value below the 0.0085 target. We can see it already starting to drop slightly, slowly, and more drops are on the way, but also more peaks are on the way also as well. So we are going to see more green candles and more red candlesticks over the next couple of hours. But overall, towards the end of the day today, it's very likely it's going to drop down in value below the 0.0085 target, and even lower than that over the coming days. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, still looking bullish, still looking positive. Again, it is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. So over the coming days, so towards the end of next week, I'm expecting once again an overall drop in value on Jupiter, potentially dropping below the 0.008 cents target is what I'm expecting by the end of next week or early the week after that. But for now anyway, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Jupiter. Don't get me wrong, we are going to see peaks here and there in between, but it's going to be very temporary, guys. It's not going to be a permanent, pump, and it's going to keep going up in value. That's not the case. Every time it's pumped up, it has always dropped back down in value, and the exact same is likely to carry on over the next couple of weeks and months. As you can see, if I zoom in here, it's peaked here, dropped back down, peaked here, dropped back down, peaked here, dropped back down. So yeah, it's a repeat cycle. As you can see, peaked here again. When was this? A few months ago, and then dropped back down, and right now it's going back up. So it's likely to drop down in value. So over the coming weeks as well, I am expecting an overall drop in value, even though yes, we are seeing the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive here. I'm expecting an overall drop in value by late October, early November. I am expecting it to drop below the 0.0075 target. However, this all depends on how the crypto market performs in general, especially if there is a major crypto crash or even a major crypto bull run and a price pump. Then yes, this will have a major impact, not just on the value of Jupiter, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since over a year now. Yes, there's been times where we hit in the green zone, but that same day we dropped back down. There's been 3 occasions or even 4 or 5 occasions where we headed into the green zone, but yeah, more or less we have dropped back down in value over the last couple of months. So right now we are not even close to the green zone. We are far away and we are in the lowest part of the red zone, which is not looking too great. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 3 cents in target, and we are way far from that target. We're going to have to go for a good about, let's say, 350 to 400% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Jupiter anytime soon. So for more or less, guys, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for now. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jupiter, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Jupiter to go in 2022. Let me know, as I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are for it and a lot of you guys against it as well. I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto, so comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Jupiter update, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. For example, we've got someone here commenting I'm bearish on Jupiter, but they've put it up as bearish. So yeah, there's been a lot of, as you can see, bearish, bullish. Yeah, it's a mixed opinion on this crypto. Personally, I am bearish on it. I'm not expecting it to pump up in value over the long run. But yeah, comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. That is pretty much it. And before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do, especially that I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber by the end of the year. We don't have that long left, so hopefully you guys can help me hit that target, and I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway if I do manage to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to everyone, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.